So the turn up today was just really, really massive. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple chin chin. Very, very tasty. You know, it's really. So in here I'll be mixing three items, which are my sugar, my peak milk, and then my egg. You can use powdered milk, then mix with water, whichever way you want it. But me, I prefer using peak milk. Then mix this very, 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 very well in order to get a glucose taste. A glucose taste is very, very important. Some people do add flavor to this, but me, I don't. I just use my sugar the way it. Trying to measure out 1.5 kg of flour, because that is what I'm going to be working on. Trying to get the exact. It's over. Perfect. So in here I sieved my flour, added my nutmeg, and then added my butter. I mixed it together in order to get a very, very good dough. This is it. So I'm sorry that I did not show you guys where I touched the dough finally, but it should not be too watery, it should not be too strong. So I rolled out my mixture, then I used this to give it a definite shape. Thank you.